In our last video, we have discussed substitution method of a pair of linear equations in two variables. If you have missed watching that video, I will put the link here. So please go and watch that video. Today, we will be discussing elimination method of a pair of linear equations in two variables. Elimination method. Elimination method. So from the name itself, we can say elimination. We will be eliminating one variable from the given pair of linear equations and try to solve the value of the other variable and find the solution of the given pair of equations. Okay. So how do we eliminate the variable? See, for example, if you have x plus y is equals to 5, 2x minus 3y is equals to 4. Okay, so these are the pair of linear equations in two variables. If you want to eliminate any one variable, we need to first check the coefficients of the variables. The coefficients of the variables should be equal. Okay, if the coefficients of the variables are equal, we can add or subtract so that we can eliminate one variable. Okay, so here the coefficient of a variables are not equal, right? So to make the coefficients of the variable equal, we will multiply the first equation with 2 because I'm trying to eliminate x variable. So I'm multiplying the whole equation with 2 so that you will get 2x so that we can eliminate the variable x. So you will get 2x plus 2y is equals to 10, right? Second equation will be same. So after getting these two equations, we will add or subtract so that we can eliminate the variable x. So here we will subtract. Okay, if you subtract, you can eliminate the variable. We will solve for the y and find the value of y. After you get the value of y, you will substitute the value of y in the given original equations. Okay, you will substitute the value of y in the original equations, either of the equations. Okay, you can substitute in any of the equations which you like, but we will try to make it simple by substituting in a easy equation or a simple equation. Okay, you will get the value of x, right? So that x and y will be the solution of the given pair of linear equations. Okay, that x and y will be the solution. Clear? If you want to verify it, we will substitute in these two equations and see if they are satisfying the equations on both the sides. If they are satisfying, the solutions are right. Okay. Now let us solve few examples and word problem so that it will be easy for you to understand. Solve the given pair of linear equations using elimination method. Okay. X plus y is equals to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equals to 4. So x plus y is equals to 5 is your first equation and 2x minus 3y is equals to 4 is your second equation. Okay. So first we need to eliminate the variable. I want to eliminate x variable. Okay. So if you want, you can also eliminate y variable. That is not a problem. Okay. So I want to eliminate x variable. So I'm just checking if the coefficient of the x variable are equal. They are not equal. So I have to make it equal. So we will multiply equation 1 with 2 so that the coefficient of x is equal. Okay. So this equation changes to 2x plus 2y is equals to 10. The next equation remains same. 2x minus 3y is equals to 4. Okay. Then I will subtract. Signs changes. This will get cancelled. This will be 5y is equals to 6. Y is equals to 6 by 5. Okay. Now we have got the y value, that is 6 by 5. Right. Now we will substitute this y value in the original equations, any one of the equation which you want. Okay. But to simplify or to make it easy, we will take the easiest equation. Substitute y is equals to 6 by 5 in equation 1. Okay. That is, what is the equation 1? X plus y is equals to 5. What is the y value? X plus 6 by 5 is equals to 5. X is equals to, I am sending 6 by 5 to RHS. 5 minus 6 by 5. So if you take LCM, this will be 25 minus 6 by 5, which is 19 by 5. So what is the value of x? X is equals to 19 by 5. Okay. So we have got x value and y value, right? So these two will be the solution of the given pair of linear equations. Okay. X and y will be the solution equations. So how do we verify them? We will substitute these two values in the given equations and see if it is satisfying the equation on both the sides. Now let us substitute the value in the first equation, which is x is 19 by 5 plus y is 6 by 5, which is, if you take LCM 5, 19 plus 6, which is 25 by 5, right? So it is satisfying the equation 5 is equals to 5. So it is satisfying the equation on both the sides. LHS is equals to RHS. Now let us substitute the values in the second equation. This is 38 by 5 minus 18 by 5, which is 38 minus 18 is 20. So 5 ones and 5 fours. 4 is equals to 4. So this is also LHS is equals to RHS. So this x and y is the solution of a given pair of linear equation. Okay, clear? Now let us solve the next problem. 3x plus 2y is equals to 11 is your equation 1, and 2x plus 3y is equals to 4 is your second equation. Okay. So if you see these two equations, so can you eliminate any one variable without multiplying or without doing anything? Can you eliminate one variable? No, right? So the coefficients of the variables are different. Now we need to make the coefficients of the variables equal so that we can eliminate a variable. Okay. So here also same. In the previous problem we have eliminated the x variable, right? Here we will try to eliminate y variable. Okay. We will make the coefficients of a variable y equal so that we can eliminate them. Okay. In the first equation, we will multiply coefficient of y with 3. We will multiply the second equation with 2. Okay. So we will multiply the first equation with 3 and we will multiply the second equation with 2. So this becomes 9x plus 6y is equals to 33. 4x plus 6y is equals to 8. So we are trying to eliminate y variable. Okay. Now we will subtract. So changing the signs. The first one will be 5x. This will get cancelled. Is equals to, this is 25. So x is equals to 25 divided by 5, which is 5 ones and 5 fives. Okay. So what is the value of x? Value of x is 5. After getting a value of x, you will substitute the value of x in the original equations. From these two equations, second equation looks simple for me. So we will substitute in the second equation. Substitute x is equals to 5 in equation 2. So what is equation 2? 2x plus 3y is equals to 4. 2 of 5 plus 3y is equals to 4. This is 10 plus 3y is equals to 4. 3y is equals to 4 minus 10. 3y is equals to minus 6. Y is equals to minus 6 by 3, which is minus 2. So what is the y value? Y is equals to minus 2. So we got y value and x value. So these both are the solution for the given pair of linear equations. Clear? Now we will verify them. We will substitute these values in the original equations if they are satisfying both sides of the equation. Okay. So we will substitute in the first equation. 3 of 5 plus 2 of minus 2 is equals to 11. 3 5s, 15 minus 4 is equals to 11. 15 minus 4 is 11. See that LHS is equals to RHS. So the value of x and y, they are satisfying the equation on both the sides. Now let us see for the second equation. 2 of 5 plus 3 of minus 2 is equals to 4. 2 5s is 10. Minus 6 is equals to 4. 10 minus 6 is 4 is equals to 4. Here also LHS is equals to RHS. Right? So we can say that x and y are satisfying both the equations on both the sides. So x and y, which is 5 and minus 2, are the solution of the given pair of linear equations. Okay, clear? Now we will solve a word problem. In a competitive exam, 3 marks were awarded for every correct answer and 1 mark was deducted for every wrong answer. Madhu scored 40 marks in this exam. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks deducted for each incorrect answer, Madhu would have scored 50 marks. If Madhu had attempted all questions, how many questions were there in the test? So we need to find how many questions they have given in the test and also find the how many correct answers and the wrong answer Madhu answered. So let us take, let number of correct answer be x and let number of wrong answer be y. Okay. See, 3 marks were awarded for every correct answer and 1 mark was deducted for every wrong answer. Madhu scored 40 marks in this exam. See, we will try to form the equation. 3 marks were awarded for every correct answer. So, correct answer is x. right? So 3 into correct answer is 3x. 3x and 1 mark was deducted for every wrong answer. That is, we are deducting 1 mark for every wrong answer. 1 into wrong answer is y. 1 into y is y. We are deducting 1 mark, right? So it is minus y because we are deducting it is equals to, she scored 40 marks, right? Is equals to 40. This is how we form equation number 1. Let us see for the next equation. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks deducted for each incorrect answer, Madhu would have scored 50 marks. See, 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer. Correct answer is x, right? So, 4 into correct answer is 4x. 4x and 2 marks deducted for each incorrect answer. Incorrect answer is your wrong answer. Yes, so wrong answer is y. So we will be deducting. So in the exam they will be deducting 2 marks, right? So minus 2y is equals to, Madhu scored 50. So 50, this will be equation 2. Now we have got 2 equations, right? Now let us find the value of x and y. So we have got 1 and 2 equations, right? So now we need to use elimination method to find the value of x and y. So how do we eliminate a variable? So we need to check if the coefficients of the variables are equal. So they are not equal, right? So we will make them equal. So we will multiply the whole equation 1 with 2. Okay. So the equation 1 becomes 6x minus 2y is equals to 80. And the equation 2 remains same, that is 4x minus 2y is equals to 50. Okay. Now we can see that the coefficients of the y variable are same. Now let us subtract it. So this gets cancelled. This will be 2x is equals to 30. X is equals to 30 by 2, which is 15. Correct? So x is equals to 15. Now we will substitute x is equals to 15 in the any of the equations. Okay, we will substitute in the equation 1. Substitute x is equals to 15 in equation 1. So what is equation 1? 3x minus y is equals to 40. So 3 of 15 minus y is equals to 40. 15 threes is 45 minus y is equals to 40. So if I send y to RHS, get 40 to LHS. That becomes 45 minus 40 is equals to y. This is 5 is equals to y. Now we have got the value of y as well, which is 5. These x and y will be the solution of the given pair of linear equations. Okay. And x and y we have assumed it, right? So what was the x we have taken? We have taken the correct answer to be x. Correct answer to be x, right? So the correct answer is x is equals to 15. So 15 is your correct answer and wrong answer is which is y is equals to 5. So what is the total number of questions they have given? Total questions is 15 plus 5, which is 20. Okay, clear? In our next video, we will discuss on cross multiplication method for the pair of linear equations.